presenting the 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche Z66. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include rear defrost, multi-zone AC, adjustable steering wheel, CD player, fog lamps, passenger airbag, and driver vanity mirror. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.